How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable the support generation in Elegoo Slicer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Of course, in order to do this, you want to make sure that you are inside the support category, and in here you have the enable supports option. Now, before you slice your plate, you have different types of support to choose from. Basically, there's going to be the normal automatic, which will automatically apply supports onto the most crucial areas. But of course, if you want to do this manually, you can just click either one of the normal manual or tree manual. You can also edit out the styling if you want to. But to apply the manual, you just want to click on the model itself, click on the support painting, and then you could use the left click and the right click in order to do this. So after painting your objects with this green marking, all this means is that it will apply some support onto that specific areas. But in my case, I'm going to just set it to automatic just to make things easier. So right after, let's go ahead and slice the plate right here. And of course, from there, we will be able to see the results of the supports that we have applied. So there's a lot of modifications that you can do when applying your supports, but generally that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.